We've had a fantastic night on South Penkeat Farm, Bodmin Moor, and this is a truly wonderful spot. I don't think I've ever been here actually before. Fantastic. Rolling hills, it's brilliant, isn't it?
Isn't that stunning?
Rolling hills, wild ponies out on the moor. The farm itself was an organic farm, and we got chickens and ducks and turkeys this morning wandering around. Fantastic, really lovely, but really, really, I don't know, what's the word for it? Really peaceful, yeah, such a peaceful site. Really nice. Anyway, we're on our way now. We're heading towards Ilfracombe, and we'll catch you later.
See you later.
See you later.
So Satnav's just taken us down this road, beautiful little country lane. Unfortunately, we've reached this bridge which is only 6'6" wide, and at 8'2" wide, we're not even going to scrape down there. Oh well, there you go, turn around, and off we go again, find another way. We're just sat here enjoying this most incredible view and thinking, Now, how could you add to this to make this more perfect than it is? And really, we've been struggling to think of anything that you would need to make this a more perfect view. But the conclusion we've come to that the only thing would be that if this spot where we're sat right now was a bar.
No, that was your conclusion, darling.
And you had a pint in your hand right here. So what do you reckon, darling?
I think this is just perfect.
It is perfect.
I might blast that building out of the way.
Yeah, but you don't have to look at that. You frame your shot. If you frame it like that.
That's amazing. Look at that, the sunshine.
Yeah.
It's lovely and warm.
Frame it like that, then yeah, it'd be nice to get rid of this building. But all you've got to do is that. And there you go.
What's going on outside this morning? Let's have a look. Oh yes. Good. Look at that. That's not a bad view to wake up to, is it?
Morning.
Good morning. Well, we've got one last view out of this most incredible spot here at North Morte Farm, which is at Mortehoe, just north of Ilfracombe. This is our final morning, so it's a fabulous spot to finish on. And then we're heading home later today. But we have got one last treat for today, which we'll share with you in a moment. We're heading up to Ilfracombe. So.
Bittersweet, isn't it? Really?
Yeah, it's been a fantastic week. It's the middle of September, so we're just sort of grabbing these last few days of sunshine for this year, and yeah, there you go.
See you in a bit.
Harbour at Ilfracombe on a very beautiful morning.
I'd want to do that. Look, they're all elderly.
Yeah.
Well, they're not all. There's a young lady in the back there, but I'm the young chap at the front, but the rest are elderly.
Yeah. are over there and cliffs on the right. What a lovely spot. Do you know one thing we haven't had this week?
Ice cream.
Ice cream. Oh, I can see an ice cream van.
Yeah.
Well, that was Ilfracombe and the Ilfracombe Sea Safari.
Exhilarating.
Hopefully you can tell from the video that that was well worth it. Highly recommended. Magnificent. So we're going to sign off here, aren't we?
I think we are. It's been a lovely, lovely time. Have a great week.
Yeah.
And look forward to the next adventure.
Fantastic time. No idea where next will be, but stay tuned and you'll see where it is.
Bye.